What's up, Lean Sweet family? This is Wanda Tima. We are in Los Angeles this weekend for the 51st annual NAACP Image Awards.
Irene, big up to the island people, yes? Big up. I'm so excited. It's my first nomination for my debut album, A Man Born Black. I am so proud of this work, and I'm so overjoyed that I'm being recognized for it.
Let's rewind that again. You're nominated and your album is called?
A Man Born Black.
All right. So you said this is your first one. For artists, a new artist too, to be nominated. What does that exactly feel like?
Honestly, the best way I can describe it is it's as if my parents were saying, you're representing the family well.
You're on one of the best shows on TV. You play such an important role, and your character has tackled so many different things for teenagers. What part of your character you think, or what part of the role that you played have been the most prolific for you?
Deja is a very closed-in person. You know, she kind of, everything that she's been fighting and everything that, you know, she's been holding in, it builds up until she explodes. You know, we've all seen her explode. So I think, you know, it shows people, especially teenagers like myself, you know, that's not really the way to do it. You have to talk things like that out.
What is one message you have for women that's dealt with depression and have dealt with drug abuse?
My message for women that have dealt with depression or dealt with depression and or drug abuse, a lot of times the darkest hour is just before the dawn. And, you know, things can feel really heavy and insurmountable in the moment, but there is always tomorrow, so.
And because you've played a lot of roles, what is one role you have not done yet and you're waiting for that call for?
You know, let me see. I've never played, I've played action roles, I've played supernatural roles, but I don't know if I've played like a superhero. I don't know if I've done that yet.
I can see you with a cape.
Thank you. Hello, this is Bianca Lawson, and you're with Lino Sweets.
You did something that was very subtle, but very impactful for the Haitian community by wearing that Haitian flag tie on the red carpet. Why did you decide to do that?
Well, I mean, it's always been, my Haitian culture's also always been, that's always been a part of me. Both my parents came from Haiti when I was born, and it's just a big part of, being Haitian's a big part of my life. So I thought, this is my first red carpet, it's something pretty important to me, it's a monumental moment for me. Why not go out and represent my culture? And any opportunity I have to do that, I'm going to take it because it means the world to represent where my parents are from, where I'm from, where my family's from, so yeah.
And a message to all of our Haitian followers, especially the young ones that are watching, that see what you've done.
Whatever you want to do, go for it, work hard at it, and as long as you work hard at it, the results will come. The results will come, and that's the biggest thing. Continue to work hard, continue to follow your dreams. Hey, I'm Ethan Harisi, and shout out to Lino Sweet.
I noticed you're doing a lot more and making sure that people know you're not just an actor and you're an artist. So what was it that made you start putting so much emphasis on your music?
Well, I think I've always have. I think I never caught up where how fast content is moving right now. You know, I think I've always dropped music. I just waited too long. You go 2 months without dropping music, that's too long. You know, so right now I'm in this place where me dropping one song a month or one song a week, it isn't a lot. It used to be a lot to me in my mind. Like, no, I need to let a song breathe. But people consume music like a photo, like swiping down the timeline. So I gotta stay consistent with that. Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Jacob Lattimore, and this is Lino Sweet.
The biggest night in Black Hollywood is on BET, and we are live in the press room of the 51st annual NAACP Image Awards. While Blackish's Anthony Anderson will bring all the laughs, Rihanna is taking home the prestigious President's Award.
Yo, what's up? This is Diggy Simmons.
I'm Trevor Jackson.
And we just wanted to say Sac Passe to the Haitian community.
Sac Passe.
Sac Passe, it's Chloe at the Image Awards. Lots of love. Mwah.
It's been a minute since I've seen him.
I'm a producer on Blackish, I'm an EP on Mixedish, and I have other projects that I'm executive producing that have not hit the world yet. We're in a really beautiful time right now where people can be their own content creators, and I think that is going to change the industry in terms of all of us having our own voice and the ability to tell stories and create narratives that actually come from our lives. It used to be that there were gatekeepers up in the world, but now I think everybody has an opportunity. It's one of the benefits of the internet is that we all have access to using our voices and having people see those things. So I think the only advice I would give is just keep creating content.
Important. This is a family affair. Honestly, it wasn't just a job for, I don't think, for any of us. Everybody that's a part of this project, from the director Destin Cretton, who's amazing, all the way down to the assistants and the PAs, everybody was all in on this movie. They knew how important it was. They knew how important Brian's story and his work was. So everybody came to work every day with their A game, willing to leave it all on the set because we know how important it was. So having a good production team is extremely important.
The most important thing to me is my black fans. You know what I'm saying? If I don't have my black fans, I literally, or we literally don't have nothing.
Like, imagine watching someone for so long and then being at the position that you're in and now they're fans of you. It's really crazy. It's nuts. And
find the stories that you're passionate about telling. And I think as long as you do that, you'll be successful at it. You have a great chance of being very successful at it and touching others in the process, which is what you ultimately want to do.
I don't identify with backlash.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This isn't my brand, this is who I am. And I think that's why it speaks to so many people in a world where branding is like the first thing we see nowadays. Individuals and true individuals kind of stand out like a sore thumb. I feel like a sore thumb, but it's a beautiful sore thumb, and I'm just honored to be a part of the music industry right now where all these sore thumbs are poking out and being themselves. I mean, big black girls are beautiful. We deserve to be heard and seen and put on stages and given Grammys, and that's what I'm doing. Yeah.